Hey Jamie, this is Brittany. I promised to provide you a video with some tips and tricks on how to optimize your online presence. And you're probably asking why I'm sending this to you. Well, I realize small business owners are so busy running their own business and taking care of their customers, they don't have the time to learn how to get more customers, and the only thing stopping them is knowing who is an expert and who is not. Some people will choose to take this information I provide to you today and do it themselves, and some will contact me. Either way is fine. It's just to help you and educate you with a easy attack plan. So I'm going to be going over 3 things today. I'm going to be going over content, backlinks, and citations. First thing I'm going to do is go over the content on your home page. Right now, looking for the number of words that you have here. I would say there's around 300 words or so on your home page. Now, we do recommend 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page, depending on your competition and number of keywords needed, since content is king to Google and it gives you authority. So a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product, and in your content you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. A good example of a buyer intent keyword I typed into the top of Google here is Hardwood Restoration Services, Greenville, South Carolina. Now this word is a buyer intent keyword because it's service specific. I'm looking for hardwood restoration services, and it's also location specific, Greenville, South Carolina. So in this search result, we found here at the top, we have some Google ads. These are really great for quick conversions. 5 to 10% of people looking for a service will choose one of these here at the top for their service. Below that, we have something called a Google Map Pack here, and this is really good for also capturing some traffic. Around 30% of people will choose one of these top 3 businesses for their service. And below that, we have the organic search results here. Now, 60 to 70% of people will choose one of these businesses on the first page of Google to perform their service. And looking here, you guys are number 2 on the organic search results for this keyword, while Lake Forest Flooring is number 1. So I went ahead and I brought them over here just to compare and see what they're doing. So looking at the content on their homepage, they have around 300 words or so, maybe 200 to 300 words. So not a whole lot, not the recommended amount, but they are doing some really great things I'd like to show you that you can also do yourself to get your page ranking higher for the cities that you serve. So here's a page program that I use called Eris, that I put your website in here and also your competition, Lake Forest Flooring. I first want to go over these 2 ratings here. We have a DR rating and a UR rating. The DR rating is essentially a power rating Google gives to your website, and the UR rating is a trust rating. And both of these are raised by something called a backlink. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others pointing to you or vouching for you. So essentially, it's like a popularity contest. However, not all links are created equal. So the best ones to have are those that are relevant to your industry, the services that you offer, and that are from local websites. So looking at Lake Forest Flooring, they have 101 referring domains, pointing to 406 backlinks. So they do have a good number of backlinks. I don't recommend just meeting that amount, but also raising it as well. Looking at yours, you have 47 referring domains, pointing to 476 backlinks. So you guys are almost neck and neck with the number of backlinks that you have, but I would recommend getting that up to 600 or so that you stay above them on those backlinks. And like I said before, you definitely want to focus on quality as well as quantity. So that covers backlinks. The last thing I want to go over is citations. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. And citations help you rank in the map pack I showed you here at the top of our search result, which is really great for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. And I did see yours earlier. I think it was maybe place number 2 for Travelers Rest, South Carolina, which is really great. So you guys do have some citations out there, which is great. But citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau. There's hundreds of others out there. But the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. And once Google sees you more often than your competitors, the more likely it is that you rank above them. So we briefly went over content, backlinks, and citations, and these three things come together. You'll be able to get more leads, more traffic to your website. Right now you're only getting around 39 organic traffic. So you definitely want to work on your content. Also want to get some more buyer intent keywords in there and focus on getting some more quality backlinks, and also raising the power and trust that you have with Google. So all of those things will help you guys do that. Alright, so that about covers it for today. I just wanted to show this to you to provide some valuable educational content, how to strengthen your online presence and your website. Thank you so much for allowing me to serve you. I hope this was helpful. I'd appreciate some feedback, and I hope you have a great day.